Aerospace machining is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the production of precision components and parts for aerospace applications. This service requires specialized equipment and expertise to produce parts that meet the strict requirements of the aerospace industry. Aerospace machining involves the use of computer numerical control (CNC) machines, which are capable of producing complex shapes and designs with high accuracy and precision. The parts produced through aerospace machining are used in various aerospace applications, including aircraft engines, landing gear, and avionics systems. Aerospace machining is a critical service in the manufacturing industry, as the aerospace industry demands high-quality and reliable components for safe and efficient operation. The aerospace industry is highly regulated, and the parts produced through aerospace machining must meet strict quality standards and regulations. Aerospace machining companies must have the necessary certifications and qualifications to produce parts for the aerospace industry, including AS9100 certification, which is a quality management system standard specifically designed for the aerospace industry. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of precision components and parts for various industries, including aerospace. The company has extensive experience in aerospace machining and has the necessary certifications and qualifications to produce parts for the aerospace industry. Berkness Company's expertise in aerospace machining allows them to produce high-quality and reliable components that meet the strict requirements of the aerospace industry. If you are interested in learning more about aerospace machining and how it relates to Berkness Company, you can visit the Contact Us page on the company's website. The Contact Us page provides various ways to get in touch with the company, including phone, email, and a contact form. You can also learn more about the company's capabilities and services by browsing its website or requesting a quote for your specific aerospace machining needs. With Berkness Company's expertise in aerospace machining, you can trust that your aerospace components will be produced with the highest quality and precision. FAQs. 1. What is aerospace machining? Aerospace machining is the process of manufacturing components and parts for aircraft and spacecraft using specialized equipment and techniques. This includes precision cutting, drilling, and shaping of materials such as aluminum, titanium, and composites to meet the strict requirements of the aerospace industry. 2. What are the challenges of aerospace machining? Aerospace machining involves working with high-strength materials that are difficult to cut and shape. The parts must also meet strict tolerances and specifications to ensure safety and reliability in flight. Additionally, the aerospace industry requires fast turnaround times and cost-effective solutions, which can be challenging for manufacturers. 3. What are the benefits of aerospace machining? Aerospace machining plays a critical role in the aerospace industry by producing high-quality, reliable components and parts that meet the demanding requirements of aircraft and spacecraft. This helps to ensure the safety and performance of these vehicles, while also driving innovation and technological advancements in the industry. Additionally, aerospace machining can provide job opportunities and economic benefits for manufacturers and communities.